The Unified Fusion Meditation. Begin by sitting on the edge of a chair with your hands on your lap or comfortably at your sides. Place your tongue on the roof of your mouth behind the upper teeth and gently close your anal sphincter muscle. Inhale through your nose if you can. Breathe normally. Let your abdomen expand as you inhale, and let it contract as you exhale. Feel your body, your whole body. With each breath, relax, sink, and root yourself. Become one with your meditation area. Let your awareness root in your lower dantian, and with each inhale, feel the vibration and resonance of this energy reservoir. Feel this energy vibrate, feel its connection to your body. Feel the quantum space inside your body. Connect with this vibration. Let your awareness and your consciousness reside in your lower dantian. Now, with your intention, take this energy and connect it to the energy of the earth. Connect with earth energy. And now, with your intention, guide this energy up your Taiji pole and out the crown of your head to reach up into the heavens and connect with heaven energy. See your energy connect with the Big Dipper. This suspends you between heaven and earth. Visualize your feet on the earth, your waist floating in the clouds, and your mind in the heavens. See and feel your connection with the infinite void, the Tao, Wu-Ji. Now, feel your center core, your Taiji pole, and extend this energy out from your center core to touch the boundaries of your meditation area, and then pull it back into your body to surround your body. Now bring your attention and your awareness to your lower dantian. Feel the vibration, the resonance, the qualities of the Qi in your lower dantian. Now bring your attention and your awareness to your energetic body. Feel your energy fields. Feel your upper, middle, and lower dantian. Feel your Taiji pole. Let your consciousness and your awareness of your Wei Qi fields come in closer to your body. Connect with the psychic and spiritual of your upper dantian. Let it glide along the Taiji pole and coalesce with the empathetic awareness of your middle dantian. Let these energies now sink and root in your lower dantian. Psychic, spiritual, empathetic, and kinesthetic awareness become one. Your consciousness. Now let these energies pour from your lower dantian, down your legs and out your feet, and let them pour into the floor, the entire floor of your meditation area, like a pitcher filling a glass of water. Your consciousness, your awareness pours into the floor. It stays connected to your Tai Chi pole and your lower dantian. Now see and feel your awareness residing in the floor. Feel the qualities of the floor. Feel what is beneath the floor. Orient yourself from the floor. See and feel yourself and the room, your meditation area, from the perspective of the floor. Let your consciousness and your awareness and your internal vision see everything in the room, on the floor, from the perspective of the floor. Experience this for a moment. Now, with your intention, guide all this awareness, all this consciousness, all of this energy perception from the floor, guide it underneath you and up the wall behind you. Have this entire sheathing of awareness pour up the wall behind you. Feel the qualities of the wall. See and feel the room from the wall. Feel the qualities and the textures outside the wall. See and feel if anything is on the wall. Perceive the room from the perspective of the wall. See anything or anyone in the room from the wall. Sense this for a while. Now, with your intention, guide all of this awareness, all of this perception, all of this consciousness, guide it onto the ceiling, as if this complete sheathing of awareness begins to pour from the wall behind you up onto the ceiling. Let it occupy the space of the entire ceiling. Feel the qualities of the ceiling, every nook and cranny, all of the quantum space. Feel what is above the ceiling. Feel what is in the ceiling. Now perceive the room from the ceiling. Observe, perceive, feel. Let your awareness and your perception see everything in the room. Look down and see anything in the room, anyone in the room. Feel this for a while. Now, in your mind's eye, with your intention, imagine opening up the crown of your head, preparing yourself to receive all of this awareness and perception. See and feel all of this perception in the ceiling begin to gather above your head. And now it comes down from the ceiling as if falling with gravity and pouring inside of your body, energizing and stimulating your upper, middle, and lower dantian, filling your Tai Chi pole, overflowing and filling your whole body. All of this awareness, all of this perception begins to vibrate, and then like steam it resonates out all the pores of the body. Like a smooth, cool mist, it fills the entire room. All of this perception, all of this awareness, your consciousness now exists in all the quantum space of the room. Observe the room from the room. Feel everything in the room. Feel all the quantum space in the room. Become aware of any awareness in the room. See this, sense this. Let your consciousness reside in every atom, every cell, in all the quantum space of the room. Feel its vibration, its resonation, your connection to all things. Now, with your intention, begin to pull all of this awareness from all 6 directions. Pull it back towards your center core from the back, from the front, from the left and right, from the floor and from the ceiling. Pull it back into your energy fields. Pull it back into your body. Pull it from your tissues into your Tai Chi pole and your dantians. Let your awareness and your intention focus on the psychic and spiritual lessons of this meditation. Let these psychic and spiritual flow down the Tai Chi pole from the upper to the middle dantian, and let them coalesce and mix with the empathetic awareness and perceptions gathered from this meditation. Feel them coalesce and mix, and now let them flow down your Tai Chi pole from your middle to your lower dantian and mix with the kinesthetic perceptions and awareness of this meditation. Root and store these perceptions and awareness for later use. Every time you do this meditation, these skills will increase. This awareness will increase. These perceptions will increase. They will consistently build upon your last session. Now, like a snow shaker that's been shaken up, let all of this energetic resonation flow down and root in your lower dantian. Take a deep inhale and a deep exhalation. Open your eyes ever so slightly, but don't focus on any one thing in particular. Wiggle your toes and your fingers. Stretch your neck ever so slightly. Another deep inhale and deep exhalation. Bring your mind back to the room and place in which you are, the day and time of the day. Open your eyes now just a little more. Ponder on what you have learned from this meditation. Think of ways to increase its power. Make a commitment to do it more often.